Hi friends, today it is 15th May 2022 and the time is 1 p.m. Uh, this is the video on weekly forecast for the coming week for Nifty, Bank Nifty and a few stocks. Okay, so now let's go to the chart. Okay, so now I've already told many times that, based on my system, this was a fake buy, and you have seen all the fall from 18,114 to 15,782. You can go and watch my YouTube video, which I posted on 4th April and clearly said this is going to be a fake buy, watch out. And from there, it is collapsed. Okay, so now let's go to weekly. It has broken my system. So now this candle low is very crucial because it has broken my system. So this week candle is very crucial because last time when it gave a buy here, so this is what happened when last time when it broke, in 2020 we had a phenomenal fall, and let's see whether it is going to do that or it is going to take a support from here to turn back, because based on Ichimoku on weekly, it is exactly sitting at the cloud. So if you see here on a weekly front, this is Nifty. It is exactly near the bottom of the cloud. So if it breaks and close below, problem will come from, maybe the support is somewhere around 14,700 level. So watch out for this. Nifty is at a crucial juncture and there is no bottom fishing here. It has to give solid confirmation on the higher side to say the Nifty is bottomed out on last week. So we need to be very cautious again here also. This is not the bottom fishing market. Please understand that. Okay, so now let's go to Bank Nifty. It is exactly sitting at the support. It is exactly last week. This was the number 32,976 was our number. And I've already covered. It came down very near to that level and sustained that level. So watch out, break below this candle, this red color line, which is 32,976. Close below that, again 1,500 points, 2,000 points fall in the coming week. Right. So this is based on fortune signals. And if you go to monthly, then the support is somewhere here, which is 26,532 and 24,600. And when it go to Nifty, the support is somewhere around 13,969 level. So let's watch out what is going to happen coming week. But based on weekly closing, daily closing, because none of the, if you see here, none of the weekly closing is below the previous week high. It clearly says it is bearish. And if you go to daily, none of the candle closed above the previous day high from here. So there is no buy as of now, according to me. If somebody wants to do bottom fishing, you do bottom fishing. Okay, so now this is based on fortune signals. Then let's go to this is Ichimoku on weekly, for Nifty. And this is this week. Last week I've already covered that it was at a very crucial junction on on Ichimoku front on a weekly, but now it closed below the cloud. The only thing which is this lagging span is above the Ichimoku cloud. Once it comes down below, then it's a problem. But the only thing is, once the cloud is this big, it is very difficult. It will go and cross below. But in case if it goes below here, then the possibility of bottoming out is somewhere near this area, which is 28,592, another 8,000 points downside from here. So watch out. It has to take a support from the cloud and move. But the problem is, again, on the top, there are a lot of resistance to take care. So things are not looking good as of now. So this is an Ichimoku. And if you go to, these are the normal thing which people talk about: 20, 50, 100 and 200 on a weekly basis. This number is somewhere near 32,617. So watch out for this number, 32,617. And if you go to Nifty, this 100 SMA is at somewhere around 15,065 level. Watch out for these two level. And things are bearish because it is below these two. Let's see whether once it has to cross above 20 SMA and stabilize for a few days, that is long way to go. Okay, so this is two things which I want to cover. And okay, now let's come to the numbers. Let's come to the numbers. So this is what the numbers which I was talking for a long time. These three are my findings based on 1 hour candle magic, and it is not able to sustain. Now even if it takes the support from here, goes here again, it will face all the resistance here. These three numbers, mark it in your system. Okay, so now break below 32,976, where it will come? It will come here, 32,142, 32,018. Watch out this number, very small number. How we got this number? This is here based on 1 hour candle magic. This is somewhere in the back. Yeah, it is here. This candle high and low, which is 19th January 2021, 10:15 candle. 10:15 candle high and low is very, very crucial. So I've already marked these two numbers. Watch out for this 32,142 and 32018. Okay, 32. See, even last time when it came here, went up, came down, touched the support. This number we are getting, we are deriving based on some calculations, and it gives all the numbers much prior to what market is doing here. So watch out for these two numbers, and 32,976 is very, very crucial for Bank Nifty. Okay, and coming to Nifty. Okay, so you know that 15,625 is a very important number, and on the above it is 15,825. Even you can watch out that number also. 15,825, 856 actually. Okay, so these two numbers are very, very crucial, very crucial. Watch out for Nifty coming week. So in case if it takes a support from here, where are the resistance? These are all based on one number magic on 1 hour candle thing. So all these resistance will be here. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it has to cross and close above this number, 16,377. Close above that, then the higher resistance are here based on 1 hour magic. So anything above this number high, 16,837, maybe we can say that Nifty has bottomed out. According to me, it is not bottomed out. Let's see, because we have two important dates are coming in the month of May, and I've already mentioned that May month there will be a bottom, and from there there'll be rally towards till July 15th, second half of July 15th. I don't know whether it's going to be the last week low or 18th low or 27th low. So my clear thing is 18th is the mega date. So I am watching, and based on another calculation, I have sent my message to my subscribers saying that 18th, first 15 minutes high and low will be the key deciding factor for the coming week. Watch out. That is not based on trend change rate only. That is based on so many combinations which is happening exactly at that 15 minutes. So watch out for that candle and make a best use of it. So based on numbers, I've already talked about this. I don't want to go and talk about more and more graph here. Everybody was talking all that. We will talk only the numbers. That numbers is our key. Okay, so now coming to last week weekly numbers, all rocked. See, the buy is not initiated. The buy is not initiated. Beautifully, it gave solid points. So now, coming week, I'm going to give this number from 16th May to 20th May. Watch out for this. I will give at 917. Based on that, we will use our weekly numbers, and whatever I discussed here. So the savior for Nifty is 15,625. Bank Nifty is 32,976. So watch out for these two numbers. Whether it's going to bottom out or not, we need to see. But we need solid confirmation on the price action. Otherwise, this is a sell on rise market only. Bank Nifty closed below 12th May low and 11th May low, which is not a good sign at all. So watch out for this. I've already marked that, said that Bank Nifty is at exact support on a weekly fortune signals. If it holds, temporary upside is possible. Break below 32,976, more pain on the cards. So watch out for that. Possible bottom on 18th May or 27th May. So watch out for these two dates, which is very, very crucial. And I've already given this date when the month opened itself. And you all know that our 6.2% prediction in the month of May on the downside, it is already achieved, which is 16,039 level. And from there, another 400 points down. So now this is very, very important for this coming week. Watch out for this. HDFC is having a major yearly trend change date tomorrow. So first intraday players, you know how to do it. First 15 minutes high and low will do the magic in HDFC. And positional player, mark the high and low of tomorrow. If it breaks the high tomorrow, take a buy call with a stop loss of tomorrow's low. If it breaks tomorrow's low and close, go short with the stop loss of tomorrow's high. So watch out. This is a fourth combination which is happening. Last month it had 3 dates and it is trading below all those 3 dates. So watch out HDFC, watch out STFC for this coming week. Monthly, weekly game changer number 917 I will give. Okay, so this is now we need to see whether May month Nifty is going to close above January month low. If it close below January month low, then bottom will happen more or less in the month of October or in the month of December. So watch out, and this I've already talked about. Okay, so now HDFC coming TCD counters, HDFC, LNTFH, LTTS, Chembal, Coal India, IGL, Lupin, and MSFL for tomorrow. But my pick will be HDFC. So watch out for HDFC for tomorrow, right? And based on Nifty, PSU, I've already talked about. You can watch Coal India. You can watch Coal India, and this I've already talked about. And watch out for ITC, because it had a major trend change rate on 13th, that is on Friday. So mark the high and low of ITC and take a call. If it goes and close above 13th high, simply buy with the stop loss of 13th low. If it breaks 13th low and close, go short with the stop loss of 13th high. So finished here. And these are the intraday numbers. These are the intraday numbers for tomorrow. So watch out. On Monday, I've already given you. And here, till Nifty doesn't close above this number, which is the weekly number, all the numbers are in bearish. All the numbers are in red. See, one number magic, how it is given money. Okay, so now this week, this number will be a crucial factor to decide on Nifty futures. And buy and sell number for the weekly I have already given here. This is the weekly targets. No trade zone is 15,876 to 15,625. If it trades within these two numbers, you need to keep quiet for the whole week. But anyway, let's see how the market opens tomorrow. So watch out for this number for this week. Mark this in your Nifty future and see the magic. And this one is for Bank Nifty 34,162, and all the 4 numbers are in bearish. Okay, so now weekly numbers I've already given here. For sell side, I've already given here. Okay, and the pivot is here 32,976 and 15,876. So watch out for these 2 numbers for the pivot. Okay, so on the pivot number I've already given here. Okay, it has to sustain at least for 1 hour because it's a weekly call. And that's all, nothing to talk about. So these are the companies which I've already mentioned, which is coming for tomorrow. And if you go here, these are the coming, till from 17th, you can watch, all these counters, 17th, 18th, 19th, and I will add, counters later on once this 19th is over. So these are the companies which you need to watch out for the coming week, including this. And my focus will be on HDFC, Hero Honda, and ITC for this week. Okay, let's go, because I don't want to track many things, and even Reliance also you can track. And if you go to HDFC, I'm going to talk about only based on numbers, no chart. Okay, so now this is the weekly pink line, which is Shakti. So it should close about 2195, but according to me, it should close above 2215 for the confirmation. But once it closed about 2164, this is a very, very important number. Now it has become 2167. I've already derived that number, 2167. So watch out for this 2167. Close above this, it's good. And I've already told you how to trade, HDFC based on trend change date. Okay, so now let's go to ITC. Okay, so this number is very, very crucial base. This is our one number magic for ITC for this month, 253, 253. So it should not close below 253 for this week. You can definitely use the system. And if you go here on 15, I've already marked the high and low of 13th. 13th high is 260.85. You can keep it 261 and the low is 254.5. So break above this, a simple buy, break below this is a simple sell. Stop loss is 261. And if you buy it at 261, stop loss is 254.5. You can keep it as 254, but my stop loss will be 253 on a day closing basis, because it's a very, very important one number magic for this month. Okay, so let's go to 15 minutes. Let's see how in 15 minutes it is in clearly buy. So you can take a chance tomorrow. You can take a chance tomorrow. And let's go to HDFC and see how it looks in 15 minutes. No, it is ugly, so we should not, we need to consider that tomorrow 15 minutes high and low. So watch out, and let's go to Hero Honda. Okay, 15 minutes, it is in clear buy. It is in clear buy. And if you go to 1 day, these are the 2 dates which are very, very crucial, which is 2nd May and 11th May. If you see, the 2nd May and 11th May high are same, more or less same. And if you take the 11th low, which is 2nd May, the low was 2448, and this date low was 2407. Okay, you can take it 2408, and yesterday it closed above. So anything, if it goes above 2520 on close, you can definitely buy this counter. But maybe I will take a little bit of punt here because my stop loss is very low. I may take a buy call here, because in 15 minutes it is in buy. So in case if it comes near to this level tomorrow, 2425, I will take a chance with the stop loss of 2408 on 15 minutes closing basis. So thanks a lot. I don't want to cover more and more, because anyway we are going to cover this in a lot of stocks in the coming webinar today at 6 p.m. So let's talk many stocks there. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, and this is not the time to do bottom fishing. So kindly wait for some more time. Nobody can catch the bottom. It's very, very difficult. Let the price action give the confirmation that yes, it is bottomed out. Till that time, it is ugly. And every time when it goes and touches the 1 hour thing, so maybe I'll show that to you. So till it doesn't give, for example, if you go to Nifty on 1 hour basis, till it doesn't give a buy call on hourly, we are not going to buy this Nifty and take positional call. So it has given a sell call at 17,518 on 1 hour basis. Until now, there is no buy. And if you see here, it has given a buy call in the month of March, because if you trade based on fortune signals on hourly, it will give entry only twice in 3 months, only twice. Okay, so if you take here, it has given a buy at 16,728, and the sell came at 17,513, and this happened in the month of March 10th, and it gave a sell call 12th April. So in 1 month, you got 1 call, and from 12th April till May 12th, there is no buy. So there is only two entries, all over in Nifty. And coming to Bank Nifty, yes, there is no buy at all in hourly candle. So you can take positional only if the hourly comes. And let's see how it is going to plan out. So every time when it goes to hourly, this blue and red color, we will try to sell. That is what we are planning. We are not taking any buy call or bottom fishing here unless and until an hourly genuine buy on Nifty and Bank Nifty comes and settles. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. Thank you. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07 and 9:17 for the weekly game changer number. Bye.